Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to hide post history on Reddit. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to hide your post history on Reddit, then all you can do is simply go and tap open your Reddit. Once you tap open your Reddit, you need to go and tap on your settings. After you are on your settings as well, go to account setting. After going to account setting, you need to simply search for Curate Your Profile section. From there, you can choose to hide your post, comments, and community activity from a public view. So you can simply tap on it and simply do as per your liking. And you need to note that this feature is rolling out gradually and may not be available to all users immediately, as this is a new feature. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.